Hello class. Today we are starting with lesson number second, part second. Okay. I think in our previous video we discussed the Window Explorer and its components. Okay. So today also we will talk about this in brief. So first of all, first left pane. This is your left pane. It display all the folders and drives in the hierarchical order, means in tree structure, tree format, and this area is called your right pane. Okay, suppose you have opened your E drive, so you will see all the files that is available in the E drive. If you have opened the desktop, from here you will see the desktops, all the pictures here. Okay, so this is the way by which you can use your Window Explorer. Okay, now next we are starting with the components. So first one is your address bar. Look, this is your address bar, this one. It will display the address of the currently opened folder. Whatever folder you have opened, you will get the address of that. Okay, this is your address bar. Refresh button will help you to refresh the screen components, or you can say the screen data, whatever is here. If you press the refresh button, they will be arranged properly and all these things. Search will help you to search anything. If you want to take any help on any of the topic, you can use this get help feature. Here more options we will talk about later. This one, back button and forward button, they will help you to move backward and move forward. Okay, this is your menu control bar. It gives you the menus like cut, copy, paste and all. Here this is your new folder. If you click on this new folder, you will get the new folder here. And this is your navigation pane, or you can say left pane. Okay, so all the things are given here. Address bar, refresh button, search, you have to read it by your own. Okay, one by one. Now next we are starting with viewing files and folders. Windows 7 helps to view the files and folders in different ways and arrange them according to your choice. The change your view option in menu bar control contains the following option. So these are the options available, means you can change the look of the icons that are displayed in your screen. How we can do it? Here, look. First one is extra large icon. If you do this by using this area, you have to click on this area. If you have Windows 7. Okay, if you have Windows 7, you have to click on this more options. You will get all the options here. The options are extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details and tiles. And last one is content. So these are the icons available in your this area, this one. Okay, in Windows 7 you will get it here, but I'm having Windows 10. I'm showing you the demo in Windows 10 how you can do it. Okay, if you have Windows 7, you can try it by your own. I'm showing you how you can do it in Windows 10. Okay, let's see. Look, this is your Windows 10 Windows Explorer. Okay, and this is your address bar. Look, currently I'm in this PC, local disk drive D, and in that school book is there. This is my search bar. These are the options, menu bar options. So you have to click on this view. Look, all the names are here. Extra large icons, small icons, tiles, large icons, list, content, medium icons and details. As you take your mouse pointer on that, this icons, or you can say the data, will change according to that. Look, I'm taking my mouse pointer on the extra large icons. As I do this, look, the icons are changed to these very big icons. These are the PDF files of your computer book, class 6, class 7, class 8. Okay, if I choose this one, large icons, look, this is your large icon. If I choose medium icons, look, this is your medium icon. Their sizes are changing. Look, extra large, large, then medium. Okay, then small icons, list, details, tiles and content. So these are the views of your icons. You can change it according to your need and choice. Okay, so everything is given here in your book. You can go with it. You can, if you have PC, you can try it by your own. Okay. Now next one is creating new folder. You must know how to create new folder by your own name or by any other name, and you can create that new folder anywhere, in any of the drive, on desktop, my documents, wherever you want, you can do it. Okay, steps are given here. Click on the new folder option in the menu control bar. Look, this is your menu control bar. Here you will get the new folder option. Then type a name for the new folder and press enter key. By this you can create any folder. Okay, I am showing you. Let's move to the Window Explorer. Okay, I am first of all, the simplest way that you can use anywhere. I am not using your book right now. The simplest way how you can do it, just right click here on the screen, anywhere, press the right click of your mouse and you will get this option new. Take just mouse pointer on that and this list will open. In this we have this first option, folder. Click on it. Here you will get the new folder. Now you can rename it. Suppose I want to give it the name computer. So by this we can create any folder with any of the name. Suppose if you want to make your folder with your name only, no problem. Now I'm using your books method. You have to click on this home in window 10. In window 10 you have to click on home and here you will get this new folder option. Look, this one. Click on this. Again you will get a new folder. Now give any name. Suppose I want to give my name. Okay, and click here outside anywhere. By this you can create your folder. Okay, this is the way by which you can create folder anywhere with any name. I am showing it to you on desktop also. Look, this is my desktop. Right click of the mouse. Here you will get the new option. Click on this folder and you will get the folder. Now write any name here and click like this. This is the way by which you can create any folder anywhere with any name. Okay, you must do the practical of it. Next topic, moving a file or folder. Moving means we are talking about cut paste. Look, there are two things, cut paste and copy paste. If you do copy paste, you will create the copies of the file, and if you use cut paste, you will move a file to a new location. Okay, so steps are given here. Click the file folder that you want to move. Click on the organize button. Where is the organize button? This one. This is your organize button. A drop down menu appears. Select cut option from here. Then select and open the folder where you want the file or folder to be moved. Click on organize button. Click on paste option. Okay, so all the steps are given here. You can read it from here. I'm showing you the demo. Okay, again I don't have Windows 7, so I don't have this organize button. So little bit change will be there. Look, so here we have made these two folders, computer and Ritesh. I want to move it. So first of all, click on this. In window 10, here we have this home tab. In home tab we have this cut, copy, paste, everything. So just click on this, click on cut. Okay, look, it is little bit unhighlighted as compared to this one. Now suppose I want to move it to desktop. So select desktop from here. Now this is your desktop's view. Now click on this paste. Now this is your folder moved. Now if you say, sir, I want to move this folder to D drive, no problem. Click on this, click on cut, click on D drive from here and paste. Look, this is my folder that is moved from desktop to D drive. Okay, so that's it for this video. In our next video we will talk about the remaining part of the chapter. Okay.